class. Today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of the human skeleton. Our skeleton provides support, protection, and enables movement. Let's explore the different parts of the skeleton and their functions. The skeleton is divided into two main parts, the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. Let's start with the axial skeleton. The skull is at the top of the axial skeleton. It protects our brain and sensory organs. The skull is made up of two main parts, the cranium, which houses the brain, and the facial bones, which form the structure of our face. Moving down, we have the vertebral column, also known as the spine or backbone. It provides support and protection for our spinal cord. The vertebral column is made up of individual bones called vertebrae, stacked on top of each other. It has different regions, the cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and the sacral regions. Lastly, we have the rib cage. It protects vital organs such as the heart and lungs. The rib cage consists of 12 pairs of ribs attached to the thoracic vertebra. The upper 7 pairs are called true ribs as they attach directly to the sternum. The remaining 5 pairs are called false ribs or floating ribs. Now, let's move on to the appendicular skeleton, which includes the bones of our limbs and their supporting structures. The upper limb consists of the shoulder girdle, arm, forearm, and hand. The shoulder girdle includes the scapula and the clavicle. The arm has a single long bone called the humerus. The forearm consists of 2 bones, the radius and the ulna, and the hand is made up of the wrist, palm, and fingers. Finally, we have the lower limb. It consists of the pelvic girdle, thigh, leg, and foot. The pelvic girdle consists of the hip bone, the ilium, ischium, and pubis. The thigh bone. The thigh bone is called the femur, the longest and strongest bone in our body. The leg has 2 bones, the tibia and the fibula. And the foot consists of the ankle, arc, and toes. Understanding the different parts of the skeleton helps us comprehend the structure and functions of the human body. The axial skeleton provides support and protection, while the appendicular skeleton enables movement and mobility in our limbs. Now that we've explored the incredible framework of our skeleton, you have a deeper appreciation for how it supports us. Great job today, class! The parts of the skeleton. Remember, the skeleton provides support, protection, and enables movement in our bodies. Time to test your understanding. Mention 3 parts each under axial and appendicular section of the skeleton. Thanks for paying attention to this lesson. See you in the next session.